Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making green chutney, which is a yummy, mouth-watering, tasty chutney. It is one of the most important yet basic chutney, which is eaten in all kinds of foods like Indian snacks, chaats, sandwiches, burger and lots more. It also adds an absolutely amazing aroma and flavour to your food. So without further ado, let's have a look at the ingredients. Chopped and washed coriander, 1 small piece of ginger, 3 fresh cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of red peanuts, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of sugar, 2 chillies, half a lemon, and 1 fresh stalk of mint straight from our garden. So let's get started. Now we're going to put all our ingredients into the blender and blend them into a big paste. Then we're going to add a little bit of water, but make sure not to add too much because we still want a thick paste. Chutney is ready, and this is how the consistency is. So this is how our chutney looks. Now finally, I would love it if you could give us a little support by checking out our YouTube channel. And please like, comment, share and subscribe. Your time and efforts are very much appreciated. Thank you for watching.